Hello everyone. As I have promised, I have come up with my angel therapy course. There is a short video that I will be making each and every day, so can you also can learn. Okay. So basically, who are angels? Who are the angels are the messenger of God. They are the non-denominational beings, and they are non-physical beings and celestial beings, and they are egoless beings also, unlike we humans. Okay. So angels, there are two guardian angels majorly by being by given by the God, and person may have more than two guardian angels as per their request or as per their requirement. God can nominate more than two guardian angels to one individual beings. Okay. So now comes who are angels. So to make this thing more clear, they don't have body like us. Okay, they are in the energy form, and they are present in male and female energies both. Okay. And they stay in seventh heaven with God. So guardian angels love us unconditionally, and they never get tired or bored, frustrated and upset. They are unlike humans. So now I will be taking you through how many choirs of angels we do have. Okay. So there are the highest order of angels are seraphim. Okay, they are said to be shining bright, as they are closest to God and they are pure light. Cherubim, they are usually portrayed as chubby angels, the Golu Molu angels. You might have seen different portray or any kind of idols in different shops, or Amazon also it is present if you want to buy. So they are the chubby angels, they are the small baby angels, and they have wings like Cupid. And cherubim are second highest order, and they are also full of pure love. Okay. And the third are thrones. The triad of seraphim, cherubim and thrones resides in the highest realms of heaven. Thrones are the bridge between material and the spiritual and represent God's fairness and justice. Okay. Then comes dominions. The dominions are the highest in the next triad levels of angels. They are the overseers of managers of angels according to the God's will. Then comes virtues. So these angels govern the order of physical universe, watching over sun, moon, stars and all planets including earth. Then comes powers. So as their name implies, powers are peaceful warriors who purify the universe from lower energies. Okay. So then comes principalities. The third triad consists of angels closest to earth. The principalities watch over the planet, including nations, cities, to ensure God's will of peace for earth. Okay? Yeah, peace on earth. Then comes archangels. And this choir comprises the overseers of humankind and the guardian angels. Each archangel has speciality representing aspect of God. So then comes guardian angels. Each individual have personal guardian angels, as I have told you. Okay, assigned to him and her throughout life. So basically, this model of 9 choirs dates from the biblical references to seraphim and cherubim and was expanded in 5th century, writing of Pseudo Dionysius, and then popularized in John Milton's poetic work Paradise Lost. So this was all about introduction of angels and the choirs of angels, the hierarchy of angels. Now what is about calling of angels, means how do we call angels, and in what situation we should call our angels or guardian beings. So you can call additional celestial helpers to your side, since they are the countless angels. These are the names which I have told you. Okay. So some are still there are names which we can identify, but there are many angels present in this entire universe who are there to help us, but provided we ask for help. Okay, so to do so, you may either mentally or verbally ask God. You can directly ask God or mentally directly ask angels to help us or assist us in our life. Okay, any method works as long as you ask. As stated earlier, don't worry that you are bothering the angels. Sometimes it happens like there are people in this planet who also say that let me tell you in Hindi, why to bother in angels or God, हम क्यों help मांगे. ओके, हम क्यों छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए परेशान करें अपने गॉड को, अपने अल्लाह ताला को, अपने ईश्वर को हम क्यों परेशान करें. ठीक है, बट एक्चुअली दे आर वेटिंग. वो हमारे लिए इंतज़ार करते हैं कि हम अपने जो भी हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स है या हमारी चीज़ें हैं, जो चीज़ हम लोग अपने लाइफ के लिए मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, दे आर वेटिंग फॉर अस टू गेट कॉल. Okay, so without, and one thing is important, I have quoted this in my previous videos also, without our permission they don't interfere in our life. This is also very true, and this happens to them. Without our permission they could not help us, so we have to give the permission to them. Okay, so now, like people, angels have specialities. You can ask for the ones best qualified to help with a particular situation. ठीक है, जैसे हर चीज़ के लिए अलग अलग होता है. Like for example, if we want a parlor treatment, so we will go to a specialized parlor. So for hair cutting there are someone else, for spa there is someone else. Similarly for different works. Okay, so the different works there are different angels. Okay, so supposingly you want to attract abundance, so there are angels who helps us for financially attracting abundance to our life. So these angels guide you in making wise financial decisions, give career boost, brings about financial windfalls, help you meet your basic need, leave coins for you to find, and help with divine timing in career moves. And also many times it has happened, it has been observed by the people who are clairvoyant, who works with angel therapy and angel practitioners, and also the people who believes in angel. The most foremost thing is that you should have believe in angels. Only then only they can assist you with. So there's a story that I have learned when I was learning angel therapy. So there was a girl who was not so rich, so she wanted money. Okay, but she was full of pure love. Okay, unconditional, and she was a very good human being. In short, if I can say that, pure love is what? She was a good human being, but she has never done anything wrong with anyone, and she was a good human being, and she also believed in God. So now she was also aware of about that there are angels and they assist us. So once she wanted money, so anyhow it happened to her that she was walking through a road and she found a bundle full of money. Okay, and this is a true story. Then she looked around, she thought that the owner will come. She tried reaching out to the people that anytime she can get someone who is owning that money, but nobody came. So she understood that it was being given, but she wanted it desperately, and she was not able to suffice her in whatever she was not earning also, and she wanted to have some food for her family. So she wanted to purchase some and she had many kids also, but she was not able to feed them. And then she understood that because she has prayed to angels, and that is the reason that she got that money. and it helped her. So now if I talk about this was all about the angels who help us financially. And then there are angels who are healing angels. So basically when we suffer from some kind of diseases or any kind of small or big issues, okay, related to our health, so there are healing angels also who assist us. So led by the archangel Raphael, these angels surround ailing people with healing energy, calm worries from health, guide your decision about medical care, and help aspiring or current healers and release negativity such as anger and pessimism. So anger is also a sort of disease, okay. So if you are suffering, you have anger issues, so you can call upon Archangel Raphael. But before calling Archangel Raphael, I will again suggest that please learn angel therapy before performing any task. So if you want, you can learn from me, and otherwise this platform is open. You can go and learn from any good practitioner. So you will definitely get help from Angel Raphael in terms of handling your health issues, okay. So next is moving angels. So these angels guide you to find the perfect new home, so help you sell or rent your previous home, assist with financing and qualifying for a new residence, ease the relocation process and keep moving related stress to the minimum, and protect our belongings during the move, okay. So supposingly, for example, if I tell you my example, okay. So before I was knowing about angels and all, so I never spoke to my angels, and I was I was not aware about them. And after when I have been learned angel therapy from my teacher, she taught me very well, and she is a very good practitioner also, and angel therapist. And that time I was not aware about how we can take protection from our angels in terms of our property, in terms of our assets, in terms of our anything, renting your flat or anything. So after I have learned, okay, so it helped a lot, I am telling you. And before I go somewhere, I ask my angels to protect my house, so that it will be away from any kind of theft. So you can also take help from angels if you want to buy or purchase your home, if you want to shift to a new home, relocate to a new resident. You can I will in later on videos I will tell you who are the angels who assist in moving house, okay. So then the fourth angels who help us in our life is romance angel. So you can call upon this romance angel to build your relationship. If you have problem in your relationships, you can call. And there are two, basically, the cherubims and Ragul, who help us in bonding, okay, in having on healing all the troubled relationship. Then comes fitness angel, who motivates us to go to gym and exercise and reduce and eliminate the cravings which we can have, okay. Then nature angels, okay. So also they are known as devas, fairies and elementals. These special angels are guardian of plants, bodies of water and domestic and wild animals. So if you have seen my initial videos, I have posted videos on fairies and elemental beings, and I have taken some pick a card reading for fairies. So these are all nature angels who assist plant, nature and wildlife. They assist you with gardening or attracting birds and butterflies to your garden, and they guide you to make ecologically sound noises, urge you to pick up the trash during outdoor walks, and help those who wish to adopt a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle, okay. And then comes your driving and parking angels. These powerful angels help you to find your destination, arrive on time, and finding a parking place. Mentally ask for a spot before you reach the destination to allow angels to time to arrange a great opening for you. Okay. So basically, to make you more understand, if so, for example, if you are going somewhere, okay, and you are worried also ki whether you will find a proper place to park your vehicle or not, so you can mentally ask your angels. So if you want to learn angel, you can contact me, angel therapy. So mentally call your angels and they will assist you with getting a right parking slot, so parking space for your vehicle. Okay, but you have to give some time to angels to act, right? We should not say like it's not about magic wand, like saying something and it's happening in a second. No, no, not like that. Okay, you have to give time to angels. Then comes beauty angels. Okay, so led by a archangel of beauty, Jophiel. These angels help you to choose the best outfit, the best hairstyle, the best accessories that you can wear for a situation, guide you to wonderful hairdressers, assist you in plucking stubborn chin hairs, and bring you gifts, make you glow from inside, and show you how very attractive you are. Plus, what Jophiel does, see, basically she is a angel of beauty. So the people who are assisted by angel of beauty are more organized. I have seen in my life. Personally, if I say about myself, my one of my guardian angel is Jophiel. So basically, she assists me in also arranging my house, okay, in decorating my house, in getting a best outfit for any occasion. So you can also take help from Jophiel if you want to attract more beauty in your life or add more beauty in your life. So family angels, these loving angels led by archangels Gabriel and Metatron help you with all aspects of child rearing, including adoption and conception, assist with domestic products and decision, maintain family unity and peace, encourage family members to be open-minded and compassionate towards one another, and protect the home. Okay, so Gabriel, I will also tell you what Gabriel also help us. So the people who are into communication and writing, the Gabriel is the guardian angel who assists. So whenever you want to talk something, you have to deliver your messages to the public. So you can also take help from guardian angel Gabriel, and he is an excellent Gabriel who can assist you in the writing work also. So you can take help from him also. He will give you ideas. Okay. So now the next angel comes warrior angels. These angels championed by the archangel Michael peacefully and lovingly fight on behalf of underdogs and social issues. Help grassroots cause, assist charitable organization, protect children and guard against domestic violence. Okay. Safeguard your home and valuables, gives courage and outlet to those who wish to speak or write about injustice, and aid pro bono lawyers. So now we have come with the last angel, who is the warrior angel, and as the name suggests, that that angel stands for all justice. Okay, so you can, if you want some kind of justice in your life, you can call upon warrior angels also. So I will finish my angel therapy introduction with this, and hope you have liked this video. So please do comment me and below the link provided. Okay, so there is a comment section also. You can draw your comment.